Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog. I am here at Cadwell. I say again, I haven't been here that much, but I've been here, there and everywhere. Obviously at tracks, I can't remember when and where I go really as such. But anyway, yeah, we're here for the, can't remember what round, it's fourth round. Need to get my head sorted, it's early in the morning. Yeah, but we're here at Cadwell. KA is lining up, basically ready for scrutiny here early in the morning. And yeah, I think there's 27 cars today. Obviously after the disappointing as such finish at Alton Park that you'll see probably from my prior video, if you haven't, ping up there in top right hand corner, give that a watch. Yeah, we ended up finishing P12, which was respectable considering it looked like we were having a lot of problems, had a crash, looked like we weren't going to finish anywhere near the top 15, let alone top 20 I think, but we ended up doing that. And yeah, we finished 12, which was good overall in the end, but we want to try and replicate our Snetterton pace and be up there with the potential of podium today, but we'll see. You never know with these endurance championships, do you? They're really hard endurance series, shall I say. So yeah, watch on, we'll see how we get on, try and show you a qualifying lap and some of the race action highlighted maybe, or maybe I'll put this in parts. But anyway, watch on, take care, see you in a bit.
Showroom standard, get it down to nip.
Right, so that's the end of quali. We've finished P2, which is amazing. We're going faster and faster and faster and getting up further and further and further. But we've got literally 10 minutes before we race, and we're changing tyres before we race, and they're going to be the race tyres that we're going to start on. Crazy, but yeah. Anyway, must go. Bye. See how we get on in the race. So I'm not just shiny, or naturally shiny, I've just literally put water on my face because I've nearly passed out. I've had my stint sitting P1 at one point, but just obviously been overtaken. See, I can't even get my words out. Overtaken, some robust moves going on. I'll probably hopefully show them to you. But in general, overall, still really decent, and we're doing really well. Francois got in the car. I think I went down to about P5. Francois got us back up to about P3 with his driver stint. Charles is out, he's now in P6, chasing down P5. There's about 2.5 hours to go, and we're in P6. So hopefully we can get P5, and you never know what might happen in front, and hopefully we can push on, maybe for one of them podiums, you never know. P5 is the best position we've ever finished at the end of the whole race after penalisations. So fingers crossed to see if we can at least match that, ideally better it. So yeah, watch on and I'll let you know. So unfortunately it's been a very eventful day, a few tears shed. You see in the background, KA is basically fucked. Yeah, I don't know really what else to say. Sitting in third by a good margin. And yeah, unfortunately I've been turned around and T-boned, and by someone who's considerably far back behind us. So yeah, we're fucked, basically. We're fucked. Finished P20 technically on technicality somehow, but yeah, the car's bollocksed, and somehow we've got to get ready in about a week's time. Steering rack bent, door won't open, but yeah, I'll flip it around for you so you can see. That is with the steering straight. What's that? Drift camber. I've not done any
racing. No, I've not done any racing. I've done my race license in Germany.
Lots of damage, lots of expense.
Sorry, it's
Nah, that's alright. As you can see, it's fucked.
That's
Oh well. Shit happens. Not happy, but yeah, there you go.